Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Well, let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. We can do that with Bloomberg's Nora Melinda. Nora, what are you looking at?
Well, let's kick things off with advanced micro devices. AMD, we've been talking about this all day. We are seeing shares that are plunging for their worst day since 2018. The stock is down as much as 15% today. And this is after the company's sales forecast fell short of analysts and investor expectations. This is really underscoring, creating a sign that it's not necessarily making the AI inroads that much of Wall Street had earlier anticipated. The company reported first quarter sales that will be roughly $9.8 billion plus or minus $300 million, which was lower than many projections that we did see across the street. So you're really seeing the stock getting hammered down about 16% so far today as we speak.
All right, let's stick with the hardware theme and take a look at another company on your radar.
So this one is in the green. We're looking at Super Microcomputers, ticker SMCI. We're seeing shares that are up about 14%, earlier up as much as 18% for the best day since May for this company. We did see shares gaining, of course, after the company delivered a forecast for sales in the current quarter that did signal strong demand for its gear to run AI data centers. So you're certainly seeing the stock being rewarded today. We're seeing shares up about 15% so far this year. But of course, that double-digit gains that we are seeing today really adding to the optimism here, Scarlett.
Okay, Eli Lilly.
Eli Lilly, taking a look at the healthcare space, ticker LLY. We've also been talking about Novo Nordisk, its competitor, its peer, that's ticker NVO. We're seeing shares of Eli Lilly, though, up as much as 11% on the day. That's the biggest jump since April for this company. This is after the company delivered an upbeat sales forecast for the year. It said it expects sales to grow as much as 27% this year. We do know that just yesterday we were getting some news that Novo Nordisk was saying that it was expecting to see a downturn in sales. They expect sales to fall by as much as 13% this year. So you're certainly seeing a bit of a divergence, a bifurcation between these two names as we're looking at the outlook for this year. So you are seeing that really playing into how shares are trading today.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.